In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap two rows in Google Sheets 2026. First, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Make sure you're on the correct tab where the data lives. If you're working in a shared file, it's a good idea to glance at the top to confirm you have edit access so the move will actually apply. Give the sheet a second to finish loading so nothing lags while you drag. Now, choose the row you want to swap. Look to the far left edge of the sheet, where the gray row numbers are. Click directly on the row number of the row you want to move. When you click the number, the entire row will highlight. That highlight is your confirmation that you're selecting the whole row, not just a few cells. If a single cell is active with a blinking cursor, press Escape. Then click the row number again to select the full row. Next, place your cursor over that highlighted row number on the left until it turns into a hand. Click and hold on the row number itself. Keep holding and begin dragging. Drag upward to move the row higher or downward to move it lower. As you drag, you'll see a bold guideline showing where the row will land. Aim that guideline to the exact spot where the other row currently sits. When you see the line in the right position, release the mouse. The row you dragged will drop into place, and the other row will shift, effectively swapping their positions. If you're moving a row a long distance, slowly hover at the top or bottom of the screen while holding the row to auto-scroll. Take your time and follow the guideline. It's the best indicator of the final placement. If you change your mind or miss the spot, press Ctrl+Z or Command+Z to undo instantly and try again. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If your sheet has filters or is sorted by a column, consider clearing those temporarily so you can see the true row order before and after the move. You can't drop a row into a protected or frozen header area, so stay below any frozen rows. Also, any formulas, formatting, notes, and checkboxes in the row will move with it, so references that point to that row continue to work. That's all there is to it. Open the sheet. Highlight the full row by clicking its number, click and hold on that number, then drag and release above or below the target row to swap them. With a steady drag and the guideline as your marker, you'll get precise results every time,